You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. For more names of delicious dishes from around the world, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn from the world's cuisines. How do you say it? Well, if you're talking about the French roast, it's said roti in French, so roti in English. Now, if you're talking about the Indian flatbread, type of bread from India, they say it locally as roti. So in English, it's also roti. So in both cases, roti from French or roti from India, they're both pronounced in English as roti. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.